Dapat wait.
On the landing, Airbus 320, line up runway 27 and wait line 1025.
Grid 6, stay to number 3 on sequence after 1 departure.
Accept that record ini.
Approve record ini.
Thank you, ini 30.
Station 2 hold shadow for runway 27, Katakura Tower 118.1, step line.
Runway 27, Mama A1, shadow for please. Cross hours and shadow for 1, going.
At 10 descend to 7000.
Can call it again? So 109 Murah ground, go ahead. Number 41. The 192, confirm request level 390 to Kuala Lumpur.
Confirm, 192.
192, 390 not standard, suggest 400 or 380.
192.
On the 192, clear to Kuala Lumpur, Borgi 1 Bravo, initial level 240, standby 400, scope number 4115. And 2 report parking stand and aircraft registration.
Parking stand Alpha 15,
Bit Murah, 805 Murah, ground. Standby. Lina 693, are you ready immediate? 937 Murah ground, go ahead.
Delta 042, position approaching Manoa, contact tower 181.
Good day. Bos, selamat siang, Lighter 04 Gala.
Lighter 04, seperti nyemplung runway 27, ini 008.
008.
7 identified on departure, climb to flight level 240 unrestricted.
Registered Palo Alto for the road as the 397. Kita 102, service supply the runway.
Aldo 192, contact tower 118.1.
Control 4, di David Kota Utara.
Bravo departure.
Another identified on departure, come to flight level 240 unrestricted.
240 unrestricted, calling the 192.
Dapat jurusan air ini. Dan satu kantor jalan sedikit handphone.
Tower Jessa 109 ready for departure.
09, confirm ready.
Yeah, we are ready, Jessa 109.
9, traffic Airbus 320 on short final line up.
On the Airbus 320, line up, Jessa 109.
66331 Surabaya.
Body 6050 to visual 5000.
331 Alpha Lion Air, operate dan Alpha 40 dan 1 runway. 109 airborne 17 take radar 119 15 Wagoner 644 contact tower 118.1.
That is a 404. That is a 404. Selamat pagi.
So for continue approach runway 27 cadence 1007.
Runway 27. 007 Indonesia 404.
With ground speed 130.
Oh, sorry. Central November 107. Bali radar Delta 109, leaving 2100, climbing flight level 230, request left turn direct to Morai.
109 identified departure, climb 230 unrestricted, Morai approach.
230 unrestricted and left turn direct to Morai, just 109, thank you.
Huh? Zero selamat siang, descend to 5000.
5000, we're gonna have 520.
With 10 knots, clear to land activated.
Land to 7, Indonesia 404. Take 605 to the established plaza.
Bridge.
Good, 605.
7520, say heading.
Direct to Udiba, we're gonna have 520.
Flight continue Udiba.
Udiba, confirm direct to Manua, we're gonna have 520.
Negative Udiba for sequencing.
Number 1 runway 27.
0,000 contact 1193.
1193, just 109.
Buddy radar, Solomon Surrey, just Stargate 032, passing 2,500, climbing flight level 230, request direct to Gagak, unrestricted.
032, selamat siang, identify departure, climb 230 unrestricted, direct to Gagak is approved.
Gagak 230, unrestricted, just 032.
Indonesia 404, continue taxi, parking stand Alpha 26.
Minimum clear speed Dragon 7520.
290 degrees 10 knots, clear to land up into
027 Malaysia 715.
One 178 Ngurah ground. 178 now push back proof runway 27 passing east. System, are you ready? 22 contact tower 118.1.
Only one Brigade 22, terima kasih.
Malaysian on short final lineup unit. 331 contact tower 118.1.
Runway 27, Singapore 993. Saya Murah Tower, selamat siang sebagai Brigade 22.
Mohon minimum speed Dragon 7520.
27 sebagai Brigade 22. Niner, that's 13 Singapore 937, goodbye.
Hi.
Are you ready for immediate?
So we are ready for Brigade 22.
Traffic short final 737 lineup behind.
Well, traffic on short final 737, line up 27 behind Brigade 22.
Clear to land runway 27 Wagonair 7520.
Bali.
Unit 22, Airbus 35, contact radar 119.70.
1197 Brigade 822, selamat siang. Bali is Brigade 822, departure following Okang to Delta.
Unit 2 to identify departure, climb 240 unrestricted. Delta 3, good afternoon, descend to 3000.
6331, are you ready?
644 can take 1193.
644, have a good day, man.
Thank you. 7309, one signal touchdown can take 1181. 178 can take 1193.
Good day, member 178.
Ngurah ground. At 10 taxi to holding point November 1 runway 27.
Nusa 5106 minimum approach speed traffic is at 80,000.
closure runway 27.
Please again.
J71, selamat sore, ma'am.
Jet 71, continue approach, Kenneth 1005.
Approach 1005, continue J71. The 3569, give weather.
3569, resume direct to Pugat.
Direct Pugat, landing the 3569.